2013 was a transformational year for RAMCO GERSHENSON. We made major acquisitions. We purchased 17 shopping centers for just under $600 million. We grew funds from operations by 13%. It was a banner year, and we're looking forward to 2014 being every bit as successful as we were in 2013.
RAMCO GERSHENSON's worked hard to reduce its debt and bring its debt metrics in line with its desired levels, and that provides a competitive advantage for the company.
I believe that RAMCO GERSHENSON is a standout relative to its peers in the area of adding value.
We know real estate inside and out. We have an exquisite understanding of the universe of retailers, and we're able to leverage those relationships to get them into our centers. So you combine the expertise in identifying the best location by creating the most beautiful, accessible product you can, and by attracting best-in-class retailers. It's a perfect mix.
We have a stellar reputation as a buyer that has the ability to close, and so a seller knows that if they're going to go into contract with RAMCO, that we are a closer. Our focus is on major markets, and our most recent acquisitions have been in Cincinnati and St. Louis, Chicago, Milwaukee, and we have found success in those markets.
How do we get to know what all the steps are at each of these local levels? And we do it by talking to local engineers, architects, and attorneys, and really try to put together a team.
Location, location, location is still very important. And within that criteria of location, 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 also what are the retailers missing from the marketplace? Is there more demand than space? And in this current time in our industry where there's still very little new development happening, we are really in an opportune time to truly upgrade all of our assets.
One of the things we're great at is taking the existing shopping center that can withstand some enhancements or improvements or expansions. We're finding that that is probably more opportunistic than going out and trying to find the greenfields.
A very good example of that is a shopping center we bought in metropolitan Milwaukee called Fox River. We bought a 136,000 square foot shopping center anchored by a high quality supermarket with a shadow anchor of Target. We bought land immediately adjacent to it. When we're done with this project, it will be over 3 times the size of the original asset that we bought. So we will add significant value.
When it comes down to it, it's all about the shopping experience. Whether it's a neighborhood center, a community center, a lifestyle tenant. It's about providing wide open spaces, walkability in our centers, exciting places to eat, desirable places to shop. When you go to a RAMCO GERSHENSON shopping center, you feel good.
Tenant mix is one of the most important aspects of the shopping center makeup. Tenant mix varies from asset to asset, but in essence it's the lifeblood of the viability of a shopping center dynamic. The tenant mix is something that we focus on greatly because it drives consumer visits to the shopping center, and it also predicates the duration of time which people stay at the shopping center, producing cross-shopping.
We want our shoppers to think of our shopping center first when they need to take care of their everyday needs. People will always have the need for everyday shopping and entertainment. We want to fill that need.
By redeveloping our assets, improving the creditworthiness, improving the merchandise mix, making sure that we're the dominant shopping center in the area, that is how we achieve that goal.
There are a significant number of retailers who are looking at downsizing their stores because they can be more effective and more efficient in a smaller format, which provides opportunities for new retailers who are coming to market or new retail concepts that have been created to participate in a tenant mix, in a lot of cases at significantly higher rents than the larger tenant was paying us previously.
RAMCO is a top-tier shopping center company that trades at a discounted price. So there's a tremendous opportunity for investors to take a position in the company and benefit from exceptional execution on our business plan and a narrowing of that discount over time.
RAMCO GERSHENSON's properties are dynamic in nature in that within the communities we're located, we are providing the best-in-class retail experience for the consumer and for that community.
I believe that our sustainability programs and our corporate responsibility programs are good not only for the company, but they're good for the environment and they're good for the community.
We want those shoppers to feel that our shopping center enhances their lives. We make this a part of the fabric of the lives of the people that live in the communities in which we operate.
Our mission is to provide utility for the consumer. Our mission is to improve the community in which we live, and our mission is to create the greatest value for our shareholders.